Hello, friends, and welcome back again to our channel K2 and Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Well, तुम मुंटोली फुई हाई K2 and Family फुई हाई तुम नाही तुमके दिसती पडना म्हणून. Well, guys, आम्ही हे सांग पाहिलंय की आम्ही आता ब्लॉग करपा नाही.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.
डोंट वरी, ब्लॉग आतां करपा नाही. तुमकां खबर आहा, पयलीं सांगतालें तुमकां फ्यू डेज बॅक इन आवर ब्लॉग्स आनी आमगे रेगुलर ब्लॉग्स येयनाहलोले बिकॉज वी आर बिजी विथ थिंग्स टू डू एंड देर आर सम थिंग्स दॅट वी आर गोन कम अप विथ. आणि फायनली दोज थिंग्स आर हॅपनिंग अँड वी आर व्हेरी एक्सायटेड टुवर्ड्स इट. By everyone's blessings, by grace of God and everyone's prayers, things are getting very well, settled in life. आणि त्याका लागून आमी मातशी होरे बिजी आसलोली आनी in that
after
struggle.
coming from Goa, we couldn't do any vlogs, and kita amge already pending vlogs alole from Goa, so we put those, and now finally they are over.
ते काबार जाल्या ते कितें आनी कितें म्हूण पळयता
I
पयलीं
thought, but then that we can't put now because it's too late. So
and kids the thing is we wanted to it's our daily routine vlog, what we do on that day that we put on the next day. That's konte. So पहिली चोपा इतली उमेद येना, but just we wanted to share those moments that what we spent in Goa. कित्याक गोंय आमी एन्जॉय करपाक चड रावले आनी आमी
we wanted to enjoy because I went after a long time, and as we told you before also, I don't wanted to waste my time in small things also, but I captured everything as much as I could, and we presented that.
Yes. It was really nice and Goa was so beautiful. Very nice. We had really good time. And everyone welcomed us so well. Sogळे मोग्स आमगे गोंयचे हाव जॉब सो there was nothing like okay तरी म्हणटा न्ही उणें आसता म्हणून उणें दिसता म्हणून कितले गोंय गेले म्हणून. But yes, we had really good time. You all probably have seen like a lot of things. Angel, Kisha really loved it. Angel आतां कोण वता गोंयांत कितें पळय तें, and she always said डॅडा केन्ना वयता गे म्हणून परत, which I'm very happy कित्याक म्हाका जाय आसलोली म्हगे भुरग्यांनी दिसलोलें की आमी गोंया वचपा जाय. Goa is a place where we live, and that is what's happening. Angel and they are saying, and Kisha म्हणतो सारकें I want the beach, I want to go beach. आतां लिखून तेका Kisha, where you want to go? You want to go Goa? Where you want to go beach म्हणटले. So that's it. Well, the point is that guys, that yes, now on for these days we haven't uploaded any vlog. I don't know for how many people this vlog is going to go to, but for whoever is going to watch, they will be knowing it okay that we will be not uploading vlogs for certain period of time.
Few more.
So a few more weeks, I will say not many, but when we come, we will come with everything as it's going to be a new beginning. We're going to come with a new intro, with a new flash, with everything is going to be new. The K2 and Family is going to be on fire. But back again, back in spotlight. Yes, K2 and Family is ready for that. And yes, we're going to do exciting things. It's going to be a lot of you guys will come to know. I'm very excited to show you guys what is coming up and what's going to happen, what things are going to happen, what things we are doing it. It's really, really exciting. So guys, stay tuned. Keep your notifications on. Kenam jaise etol pe taise etol te and then tum kauto kiti poite. So that is the only purpose that we wanted to say. We are extremely sorry for not uploading any vlogs, and though you all are following us with so many things,
with recipes also.
And yes, definitely I'm going to make lots of nice beautiful recipes. I'm missing doing those recipes. Or more than making vlog, I'm missing on doing recipes. Detailing the carving and the food that you do. And when I do the food, I always present that food even chicken cafe चिकन कॅफ्रे करपा जाय ते वर्जन करता ओरिजिनल वर्जन असो, बट स्टील तेजे तो कितली करपा जाय कशें करपा तें करून हांव सॅटिस्फाय जाले उपरांत मागीर हांव तो सारको एक ब्लॉग करपा येता तेजो व्हिडिओ करतलो. आनी म्हाका खबर आहा 99% people who have followed the recipes, they have written back to us saying it turned out absolutely great. And the best thing, I'll tell you what the best thing about recipes of mine is they are still going on. They are still going on. People are still watching. I see on my graph they are okay, itle हजार लोकांनी पहिले तितले आहात ते. I love it. And we are enjoying it. So guys, that is the thing. And before ending this vlog, a small message that we wanted to put forward, and I think so we are nobody to put forward. We are not that big personalities where we can give a judgment about it, but it's just a heart of feeling that we wanted to share. Sangpa mane itle recently I'm going also like we felt it so peaceful, so beautiful, so serene. Yeah, the sunset, the villages, the
The
Burkina
change
Faso.
also is nice.
The
Like what has happened. Yeah.
change was good for us because जायते आजचो कितें जाला जायते flyovers येयले. Flyovers is good because it just like diverts the traffic and everything. But तितूनच जर तर आमगे like mass mega projects जाता है कि जाता है it distracts the layout of that place कळलं तो feel ऐसे जाए ना तो overcrowded होता our villages are something very untouched are very beautiful recently आता कि जाल्यार I was watching like जायते it's a very hot topic what's happening in Goa regarding one of the MLAs, Viresh Borkar, he's gone on a hunger strike. Yeah, regarding his constituency and about that Article 39. So, looking into, I did not know because at कोणी म्हटले तुम्ही भायर आसता तुम्ही कित्याक पळोवंक गेला तूं थिंग पडले तुम्ही थिंग जोडटाय हिंग गोंयचे उलोवपाक तूं कोण हांव कोणूच न्ही I'm nobody, I'm just a small person, but this is my heart feeling. I belong to Goa, that's my soil. I grew up in that soil. The only choice that I chose for myself to go abroad is because आमकां घेवन काम करपा मेळ्ळें इफ देर वॉज अ चॉयस वे आमगे इंडियन पासपोर्ट घेवन जो थिंग काम करपा मेळटा जाल्यार हांव तें करतालोलें पूण द इजियस्ट रूट टू कम ओवर हियर ते आमकां एक पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट घेवन येवची पडली म्हणून आमी कोताय आतां नाव वी हॅव सीन आवर फादर्स वी हॅव सीन आवर लायक गोंय आमी क्रिस्तांव चडशी लायक मोस्टली कॅथलीक फॅमिलीज वी हॅव सीन दे आर मोस्टली एब्रॉड हांव पयलीं बोटीर आसतालो आय वॉज वर्कींग दिस शिप ना म्हणटा तूं बोटीर आहा तूं कित्याक गोंय येता तें म्हणपा नासी एवरीथींग वॉट वी डू फॉर आवर फॅमिली गोंय रावल्यार हांव आमगे फॅमिलीकूय कोतालोलो भायरूय हांव आमगे फॅमिलीकूय कोता बट आमगे मोग टुवर्ड्स आवर लँड इज ऑलवेज गोन बी गोवा हिंगा आमगे कितले आसूं आमी कितलें करूं हिंगा इट नेवर गोन मेक अस फील लायक अ होम वेन वी कम आमगे घराको गोंय लेगून गोवा धाकटेली गो आसूं we always feel this is our home, this is our homeland. ती आमगे इगोज ती आमगे माती म्हणून आमकां दिसता ती आमगे ते सायडीचे देवूळ आहाय ती वाजत ती चोवपा बरें शिगमे बरें दिसता कार्निवाल बरें दिसता सगळें बरें दिसता आमकां एंड वी ऑलवेज हॅव लव्ड इट वी हॅव लव्ड लायक आमगे गणेश येता गणेशा पयले आमी दिवाली चोयले आमी जायत चोयलां पूण गायज I will just suggest only one thing. This is my opinion. This is my thought. I'm not implementing on anyone. Just what we think about it. We were talking other day. It's just that thing. We have to protect ourselves. We cannot go and protect. We can protect only by choosing the right leaders who can fight for our land, who can protect those things, and who don't sell our things and go away कित्याक एश कोन जर इकले आनी जाल्यार ओके लोकांनी आतां लोक म्हणटा लोक घर इकून तुमी लंडना गेले मरे म्हण थोडे जाण लोकांनी घर इकले व्हडले दोंगर इकोनाय हे कितें लँड कन्वर्जन जावं ना कांय जालें ना तेसो करपाक नाका नो ते कोस्टल बेल्ट ते आमी पयलींचे हारी हाय थिंग काम कोताय लोक ना म्हणल्यार घाटी येवन काम कोताय सो इवन द थिंग आमी म्हणटाय ते घाटी हू आर दोज पीपल ते घाटा आसा येता म्हण घाटी म्हणटाय ते बट दोज पीपल हू कम टू वर्क इन गोवा इज ओके आमी आतां भायर येयले वी आर इन UK आमकांय घाटी म्हणपाची तर लायक बिकॉज वी हॅव कम फ्रॉम गोवा फ्रॉम टू अ डिफरंट प्लेस आमकां घाटी म्हणल्यार जाता सो इट्स द same only, but we are coming and working. We are not disrupting this place. Same in Goa also. Whoever comes from outside also to work, if they work very nicely, work peacefully, it's very nice to see them growing up in their life rather than just coming and creating a chaos over there. म्हाका इतलें म्हणपा जाय फतकू as a family that I look my kids when we get old and when we go to Goa and my kids wants to go to Goa I want them to be into a safe place a very look the same Goa as how it was we saw as our childhood things will develop which is always good needs to be developed but in a right way not by doing something like आख्खे एक land हाती आख्खी concrete करून उडोवपा नाका so I think so guys please be supportive towards this and आमी एक मात चोयता जायते फाटी what I've seen is very common and this has been very common in म्हाका दिसता ते एक मनशा भितर एक आसता if any one of the top leaders or any leaders कोणा बराबर एसको येता तो तेका म्हणा बाबा तूं हा मरे तेणें आपणा हें केलां आपण तेका तो पळयना what तुका कितलो गोडो जाय what if my friend any of my friend no matter how good he is my friend I will support him but when he is wrong I will condemn that as well I will say that's not right I will stand with the truth so all I'm saying is stand with the truth stand for the future look for your kids future because at the end of the day this is Goa where we look forward प्लीज इतले मात चिंतना काय तुम पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट घेना तूं थिंग तोंड बंद करून बस म्हणून बाबा हांव पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट घेयला जस्ट ती मजबुरीन घेवपा पडली आमकां म्हणून घेयलाय आमी ओके जर तो आमकां इंडियन गव्हर्मेंट आजचो आमी वी आर ट्रायंग आवर बेस्ट टू गेट अ ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप सो वी कॅन कम एंड find our rights to vote back to India. But the Indian government doesn't want to give it. So that's the thing. So we are looking forward to that to happen. Like Elon ne amge to Portugal Prime Minister Elon tani kellano. So that's what I'm saying. If these things happen, we are looking forward. If tomorrow government allows us to be Indian, so Nadia Aditya, she can get an opportunity to be a British easily. But she doesn't want to. She wants to say an Indian only. Na म्हणता आपण Indian राहता आपण हा तसे बरे हा. Fair enough, which is very good. आमकां जाय. We also love when Jai Hind जाता, Janagana Mana जाता. We love it. We love. Still goosebumps come for us. That is our country. That's where we belong. That's what we taught in school, and this is all it is about. So, guys, I'm told all the kinds of. I'm not a big politician, neither I'm a big leader to say that. This is our feeling. What we wanted to
Please
share.
don't judge us wrong in this.
Yes.
Because we want a good message to go out.
Yes, please do not judge. Yes, we just want to send a good message, just to tell to the people who are watching, and especially people from Goa who you're watching. Please, choose a leader not by the face because he's amge वाड्यावयलो आमकां पावता आमकां हें कोत्ता. Just think in 10 years time तो आमगे गांवचे पासून कित चिंता. What will he do? What he is thinking about? Who he is going to stand with? Who is going to support with? If that suits you, to Gudista, that it's a future for your kids, that's a future for you, it's going to be a safe place for everything, then yes, you have full right to vote whoever you want to. And I will say, please, आमके एजेर इतले मात जज करना तुम पुर्तुगेज सो आम कित्याक सांगता म्हणून हांव पुर्तुगेज म्हळ्यार बात तोरी पासून जय हिंदू म्हणटलो येस दीस इज ऑलवेज बीन देर वी लव गोवा इज अ प्लेस एंड वी ऑलवेज लव सो हांवें तुमकां एडिशनल सांगलां टॉपीक अशें नाहलोलें पण जस्ट फेल्ट लायक सेयींग इट वी सेड इट बट गायज stay tuned.
Yes, we'll be back soon.
We'll be back soon with very much lot of excitement to show you guys, and you all will be very happy because in this journey even you have been part of it, because knowingly unknowingly you all did not know about it, but somewhere you knew about it. You all be always been there, and so that we will be sharing that journey with you all very soon. So stay tuned. मातशे गुडिया बोगस माता थोडे दीस आम गेले थोडे वीक आम गेले ब्लॉग आसपाना म्हणून ओके. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all, and a final word to say adios.